Welcome to another edition of Smalltalk for You. This morning I wanted to go back to kind of the development process in VA Smalltalk and answer a few questions about some of the things you might want to know about as you're loading things in and doing work in Open Editions. So I have this open config map and inside of it an open application, and then I've gone ahead and I've done some modifications to my class. I went ahead and added some accessors. Not a terribly important thing, but if you think about the process of having a large configuration map with multiple applications in it, and many of those applications being open, and many of those classes in the applications being open, you might want to know a few things. In particular, you might want to go to the Tools menu, Query, and you might want to know about the Open Class Editions. So if I come in here to Open Class Editions, you'll see that it prints in the transcript things looking for class additions, and it'll show you which ones are open. So you can get right here, okay, these are all the ones I need to go and find and release. And if you go back to that menu, you'll find that there are other options. Now, I may be cutting off at the bottom of the screen, so I'll read these. Unreleased classes, ones that you haven't released. Empty class extensions, so if you have classes that you've extended, classes that are defined in another application but that you've extended. Undefined classes, classes owned by somebody else, by some specific owner. Classes using a pool variable, a specific one, or out-of-scope references. So let's go to unreleased classes, and again you see that it's going to show me the same one. So if you need to know, you have some open edition, you'd like to know what classes haven't been released because you're going to go through and clean all that up. This is a nice, concise way to figure that out. Go to the Tools menu, go to the Query, pull it right, and you'll see all the various options. Again, Tools, Query, pull it right, and you'll see a bunch of options. Just try those out and see how it works out. So that's about it for today. Until next time, have fun with whatever Smalltalk you're using.